Hi, I'm Bill Thomson. I am Vice President of Marketing and Product Management for DC Blox. We are a regional data center and fiber network provider focused on the southeastern United States. And if you want to know how to accelerate fiber, our suggestion is follow the hyperscalers. The hyperscalers are building not only, obviously, large data centers to be able to move their infrastructure and their services closer to end users in a given region, but they are also looking to build out dark fiber capacity to be able to connect to those data centers. And we would say that they are rebuilding the internet in their own image. In other words, the telecom-based networks of the past, of the original traditional internet, are not sufficient in terms of capacity and don't go where the new hyperscalers need to go. But we're finding that the new locations where they're looking to build, particularly in the Southeast and other parts of the world, require that dark fiber infrastructure. We're in the business of building it, and many others will be benefiting from that as well.